Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 21st, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow had a big day today. You can see what happened. It gapped way up on the open and then just kept going. Uh, when it's up here, I think it's up like 350 points or something like that. It did pull back some, but it's still closed up 298 points. That's a big day in the Dow. I don't like to say today was a little disappointing, but it's just like I always feel like when you get a huge move like that in the Dow, we should get a huge move in our equity, and we did not. However, we didn't do badly. You can't complain about it. We only had three positions coming in, and we closed those out with positive $3,500. And then we got into 9 new positions. I was surprised how few that was. We got into 9 new positions. 6 were positive, 3 were negative, and we're carrying a positive $2,000 going into tomorrow. So basically we racked up a little over $5,000. But like I say, big move in the Dow like this. Uh, I would have expected more. The only thing is that if somehow we could have picked up, like 15 positions down here on Friday and then had this move, of course, we would have done a whole lot better. But hey, that's life. Life as a trader is not very comfortable at times. I don't have a whole lot I don't really have anything that I particularly would consider good. I'll show you the best trade we had, but it is in itself kind of disappointing. This is uh, uh, excuse me, Atera Biotherapeutics, and we had bought this on Friday. Right out of the gate, popped up there. We got into it. Didn't look like too much on the close, but we had this huge move to this today, and of course, if we normally get out of these earlier in the day, but this move was so strong it kept us in for a third day. Except we do put a stop on those orders, and what happened is this thing curled around and got stopped out here about the last hour of the day. And even with the stop out, we still got $2,300 out of that. But when we were up here, we were over 5,000. So a little bit disappointing, but still, it was a good trade, and that was the best. Nothing else is even worth showing. So I'll call it quits on that. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.